How to turn on notifications on Fotor. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Here on the right top, you can find this notifications icon. Simply tap on notifications. So this is the place where you can customize and edit it. Now, in order to turn it on, here on the right top, tap on turn on, and on the bottom, tap on allow. So this is the place where you can easily do it. Now, there are different categories that are available too. So you can simply go back and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.